Dorothy laments over parking space while visiting Mercy Eke. Nengi sang birthday song for her fans. Star girl Erica jetted out of the country to Dubai. Fans react as Dorothy finally admits her relationship with Prince. Ozo, Prince and V in dressing competition. Watch out. Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on when my video gets to you. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to click on the notification bell in order to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. God bless you for doing it. Reality TV star Dorothy Basho has lamented over limited parking space while on a visit to fellow Big Brother Naija graduate's house, Mercy Eke. Dorothy, however, visited the CEO of Lambo Homes in her home and was forced to park far away from Mercy's apartment as parking space was filled with cars. In a viral video, Dorothy is seen ranting as she approached Mercy Eke in her house.
Because Mercy does not have parking space. Mercy does not have a single parking space. Where will I put? Let me go park my car outside. Parking space. Dara, what is Where will I put? Let me go park my car. Where did you park it?
Reality TV star Rebecca Hampson, popularly known as Nengi, was spotted singing a happy birthday song for one of her fans.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Monte. Happy birthday, Monte. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Monte.
In other news, self-styled boss lady and reality star Katrina has thanked her colleague Dorothy Basho for patronizing her business. The former Big Brother Naija housemate took to her Instagram page to reveal that Dorothy ordered a fully paid for a product top channel sheet from her store. Reality TV star Erica Lewendim, popularly known as Star Girl, wrote, "I am in the mood to jet off somewhere, take the much-deserved break I need and just relax. Who better to fix me up good than my #1 travel plug at Travel Better? My dear elite, I had to be taken over at Travel Better IG page for the next couple of days. Head on there to catch me live in Dubai and Accra, living my best life. You know how we do it." Fans react as Dorothy finally admits her relationship with Prince and accepts to marry him. Ex-Big Brother Naija star, first next in line Victor, TV character, brand manufacturer and entrepreneur Dorothy Basho has set off certain responses from her fans after she opened up, disclosing to them she has acknowledged ruler and they are presently lovers. The two ex-Big Brother Naija stars, Dorothy Basho and Eweren Prince, turned out to be old buddies while in the unscripted television show. What's more, their fellowship is getting more grounded each spending day. In fact, the two has turned to become the best couple so far from the season 5 edition, and more likely to become husband and wife. A portion of their fans that consider themselves the Prado transporters has been making a decent attempt to see them end up as companions as well as lovers, and they have at long last won. Recall that some days ago, Prince took Dorothy excessively meet with his illustrious family during the Christmas festivity, and that was an indication that Prince is prepared to move their relationship to the following level. It was a huge celebration for fans on Twitter after Dorothy at last uncovered to them her remains with the illustrious Prince. Large numbers of them took to the remark segment to communicate their happiness over her post. Here are some reactions from fans. Evie Hannah said, "No more beating around the bush. Finally, you have confessed with your full chest." Christy wrote, "Dorao, what did they give my baby to drink too much Sorosoke in one night?" Omope wrote, "Prado shippers right now in one corner discussing and gossiping whether Tata is not drunk typing this." Factual Ben wrote, "Whatever treat you gave her to make her post this in the open take. Yeah, doing well." Dorothy at Base Bar wrote, "Precious, come and open the palace gate. Let Prado shippers enter. We finally won the battle." Baby Dog 23 wrote, "New Flash Dorothy just gave me the go-ahead to tell you all the Prado is lovers' relationship." Some of them were shocked, contemplating whether she was smart when composing the message. Big Brother Naija stars Ozo, Prince and V rock traditionally attire. Check out whose fashion taste is the best. The unscripted television stars from the last version of Big Brother Naija unscripted television show has chosen to drop charming-looking photographs. Recently, Sunday the 10th of January was the point at which these stars halted charming-looking photographs of themselves. Prince then again shook an agbada that is finally Stone's plan on the streaming outfit generally worn by Yoruba men. Ozo likewise brought a game with regards to the style where the star ticketed an Igbo clothing of the mainstream Isagu plan particular to the Igbos. The star shook a stunning red cap close by the wear.